They had a little radio. And I says, Mama, what's it does? The voice was coming so beautifully, And I says, Mama, you're gay singing. I'm going to sing. I'm going to sing someday. It was Bing Crosby. Where the blue of the night meets the gold of the day. That was his theme song. And I never stopped singing from that day on. My name is Jack Kamin, resident of Denver, Colorado now, after many years in New Jersey. Came from Poland, a little shtetl in Poland called Volkovisk. It's also called Brodna Gubernia, and that's like a little area that includes Vilna, Bialystok, that area there. We came here in 1929, right during the Depression, and it was the first time I remember seeing my dad, because he left Poland to raise some funds so that we wouldn't have to come down third class on the Bulgaria. You know the words, the Montzach reminds them. They hear something in Yiddish. They say, oh my God, my grandmother used to do this. Eventually, machen a Bruche of the Challah and the wine, they actually remind them that this happened in my life. Verstehst what I mean? And that's why I like to sing Yiddish, because they say, oh yeah, Yonkele says, I remember that song. It's in cup. It's in the head. That's never going to be out of their heads. Because even when they get older, they'll remember it more. That my Bubba used to do that. Unter jedes Wiegele steht a Klur, weiß Ziegele, das Ziegele ist gefroren handeln. Das wird sein dein Beruf.